What's up guys? I'm here in the first episode of 60 Seconds. In this video, I'm gonna be talking about how to pronounce names of the countries in Middle East. Kurdistan region, which is my homeland. Iraq, Iran, Syria, Jordan, Lebanon or Lebanon, Israel, Palestine, Turkey, Qatar, UAE, Yemen, Egypt, Oman, Bahrain, Cyprus, Saudi Arabia. Okay guys, thanks for watching. See you in the next video.
We don't have a reason to ever stop believing. We'll never stop believing.